Why buying your home with a renovation mortgage is perfect in this inventory challenge market. In a 2017 inventory short home selling in one day market, a renovation mortgage is becoming more and more of an option to not just find a home, but turn it into the home of your dreams. Now, what's a renovation mortgage? Simply put, a renovation mortgage is a transaction where you buy and finance in the improvements you want to make to the home. It is the best way for an owner-occupant, first-time home buyer, or anyone with good credit but limited funds to buy a home and renovate the home with one transaction. The name of the products we're dealing with are a 2 or 3K, which is FHA, or Homestyle, which is conventional. And due to the complexity of the financing, you need to find a company and loan officer who has experience and is comfortable with renovation loans. Now, how does it work? You find a home in need of work, get it under contract while you're getting bids for the work which needs to be done. The funds for the work will be held in escrow and progress payments will be made to a pre-approved contractor as the work is performed. Here's a real example from 2015. A buyer in St. Louis bought a home in need of repair, which was a foreclosure for $110,000. Now, it doesn't need to be a foreclosure, it can be any home in need of work. She obtained a bid for the renovation work for $60,000 to improve the home to her specifications. This means she financed about $170,000. Now I'm rounding to use simple numbers, but the borrower had to put 5% down. Now, after the home was complete, the home appraised for $220,000. Other examples of where a renovation loan could be perfect: finishing a basement, repairing a house which has a cracked foundation, or updating a kitchen because those cabinets and tilings are older than you are. Now, why could it be perfect in today's market? In every corner of the real estate market, we're hearing inventory shortage, inventory shortage. This product and this tool can not only help you both find a house, but it can also turn that house into a perfect home for you.